Okay, so now we can go to our next hole over here. Okay, this tang is still in there, I can feel it. Oh yeah, definitely still in there. It's a short one too. It goes on top. So this time we're going to go up, pop it. There it is. Popped off my hand right to the floor so I could find it. I didn't want that going to start at the start of Binix, that'd be pretty bad. We don't want that to happen. Now we're going to blow out all the silicone that's in the bottom of the hole. This one's solid metal, so it's not nothing there. So that's a good hole. Okay, now we go to our next one here. This one's full of silicone. I don't feel a tang in there. But I do feel silicone. So you keep poking this in with air pressure to blow the silicone out. Got plugged up the air, that's the silicone. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. Another trick you do is you take a drill bit, stick it in there. Now this one's getting tight in there, like the tang is still maybe connected or something. I don't think this helical is done correctly. See, the drill bit's got something it's hitting on. My guess the tang is still on it. Oh yeah, it's still there. I'm not sure where, it's hard to see where it is. I think it's up high. Nope, can't get it pop, it's right above. Nope. I think I got it out though. No, it's still... Feels like they just bottomed it out in the hole and just pinched it. That'd be my guess. I don't like that one. That one feels like crap. Part of the silicone that's in there. Black silicone. The drill's going on deeper, but it's not. It acts like the tang is still in there. Or it's pinched. I think it's pinched. Something on the side over here, I can't tell what it is. Yeah, well, I have a cure for that. It's called get the tang out. Pull the, there it is. Pull the helical out. In a hole where I can't get to it. Pull it out further. This pair of needle nose work better than dikes. I got the tank bent straight out, so just hold it with the dikes. I mean with the needle nose. Like that. Can't twist it. You don't want to pull it out, you want to twist it out. If you pull it out, it tears up the threads. There we go. See how the end of the helicoil was bent down? And that's what was making it like a lock. So somehow they got bent. Probably because it's all wrought up against the silicone. Alright, so we get to redo that hole. Not sure how deep that one is. Find out. A little extra deeper in that one. Not that deep. Yeah, it's probably not quite long enough to get the long helicoil on there. I'll probably have to shorten one a little bit. This hole looks like they did it straight. They obviously screwed up on this one. Get off my knees. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Now you can make a judgment call if you think it's deep enough or not. It is very close to being deep enough, but not real sure. So if in doubt, you can always shorten these a little bit. Just take them and clip them. Like that. Clip off one coil. Now it's shorter. I think that's enough that should work. You'd be surprised how one coil will make it bad. Once it pinches on the backside, you're screwed, so that's the thing. Find out in a minute. Okay, we're flush. Go in a little bit. It didn't get tight, so we're good. Make sure it's enough. We might go a little bit more. That's about flush, so I'm going to go a little bit more. It's a recessed hole, so you got to make sure it's in there. Give it a good third of a turn more. The light's so damn bright it blinds you. Yeah, I like a little more. Okay, it's in there now. Oh yeah, it needed that extra amount. Okay, and the tang is to the back of the hole, or front of the hole in this one. So flip it that way, go in there, give it a pop. We're right up in the back of the hole, so the tang didn't quite break off cleanly. Wiggle around a little bit. When it rotates in there, it's all broken. You go back and forth until it breaks the tang off. They're made to break. They got a little cut mark in them where they would break out. came off. There you go. Alright, that looks good. We did. It's a good thing we cut that coil off because it was just right at the limit. Screw goes all the way to the bottom of the hole, so it's working all the way through. That's a good one.